Hey guys, so I know you're like, oh, I've seen this video before. No, you've not. In this video, I'm showing you how I achieve my highlight and contour. So if you're new, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. So I already applied my foundation here. I'm applying my foundation. So now I'm going to get ready to do my highlight and contour. I'm going to be using the Makeup Revolution Super Size Defined Concealer. But the trick about this thing is I'm using it for my cheekbone and basically all the parts you're seeing, my T-zones. But notice how I ignore the middle part of my eye because I need a lighter color to brighten up that spot. So this is me just blending it out. Blending is very important. You have to make sure you blend well. Here I'm using a blending brush, but you can also use a beauty blender. And always make sure you blend in a back stroke. Then going into my eye, into the inner corner of my eye, I'll be using the MAC concealer in NC45. I really love this concealer, guys. It's worth the hype. After blending that, I'll be using a contour. For my contour today, I'll be using the Ezekiel foundation in Coca. I think that is the darkest shade. And then I just blend it out. I put it at the corner of my head, my cheekbone, corner of my head, my cheekbone, and just blend it out. Then to set my face, I'm going to go into the AIRSPUN translucent powder. But before I do that, I'm going to make sure I go into a brush and just dab the under of my eye to make sure there are no creases in there. Then I use my AIRSPUN concealer on it. After that, I'll be going into my Mother Africa setting powder in 05. This setting powder is actually really nice. I just need it to give the corner of my eyes a little bit of color, because the translucent powder is white. It will basically come off as white. I'm using this powder because it has this yellow undertone, and that's what I'm going for. So after that, I'm going to be using a blush to just put life in my cheeks. And now, after waiting for a few minutes, I'm going to be dusting out the powder because you don't want to be looking cakey. To set my face, I'll be using the MORPHE's concealer spray. I love this spray so much. It gives me so much life. Then I'm going to be going into the Mother Africa pressed highlighter. This highlighter, just watch and see the magic is going to perform. Took very little of it and just, can you see that? Oh god. So I'm just going to blend it out, then put it on my nose, my other cheek, and my forehead, because we want to be shining, baby. And my jaw. So guys, this is the final look. This is how I highlight and contour. You can really see how defined it is in my final look. Hope you enjoyed this. Hope you try it. And if you're new, please don't forget to subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. And if you have any question, you can always drop it in the comment section down below. Thanks guys. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.